Tropical Matcha Green Smoothie Recipe. Yield, 4 cups, 2 large servings. Prep time, 5 minutes. Total time, 5 minutes. Ingredients, smoothie. 1.5 cups 375 milliliters light coconut milk from can. 1 cup 250 milliliters unsweetened plant milk, I used soy. 2 frozen bananas. 1 cup 245 grams pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen. 1 cup 30 to 40 grams packed spinach or Eustace stemmed kale leaves, I used half a cup of each. 480 grams medjool dates. 2 tablespoons 30 grams hemp seeds. 1.5 teaspoons 7 grams matcha powder. Ingredients, optional. Toppings. Raw or roasted coconut flakes. Blueberries. Strawberries. Directions. Blend in high-speed blender until well combined. Serve in a tall glass or in a bowl with desired toppings. Enjoy. Notes. 1. I dry roasted my raw coconut flakes in a pan on high heat, continuously stirring until lightly golden and fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Take it off the heat before it's fully golden, as it continues to roast even after removed from the pan. 2. Variations, add vanilla extract, an orange, mango or any other tropical fruit of your choosing. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends.